Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pheonix token. Now Pheonix is spelled Phnix, and that is the name and the ticker symbol for this token. This is a very popular Xrpl token. It is trending #1 in the Xrpl section on DEX Screener right now. Almost $1 million in 24-hour trading volume. This token has been trending actually in the #1 spot, or at least the top 10 for a few days now. I've been checking it out on DEX Screener, and right now it is up 127% in the past 24 hours. We're going to go over the information on the Pheonix token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So on their webpage, there's a section that says endless memes. And you can just find tons and tons of different memes of this bird, this Pheonix, with the XRP glasses on. And so they do that so you have all sorts of funny, cool pictures and memes to share on your social media. So as a holder or community member, that's a way for people to organically shill out the token. So check out all the funny memes on the webpage. Phnix.lol is the webpage. So I'm going to be saying Pheonix a lot, and most of the time when I say Pheonix, it's going to be spelled that way, Phnix. So that's the name of the token, the ticker symbol. This token has a market cap right now of $5.7 million. Very popular project. $994,000 worth of 24-hour trading volume. Token is up over 100% today. They've had over 3,000 transactions just today. They have a liquidity pool of $316,000. On DEX Screener, you can find a Telegram, Twitter, webpage. They have been marketing themselves also on DEX Screener with ads. They have the ads boost button on there. It says the Pheonix rises again. That's the tagline for this token. This one's trending #1. #2 right now, trending in the XRP section, is the Army token, and that one just got listed on CoinEx Global. Check out the Army token. But XRP is very popular right now. It's been doing very well. I even posted a video yesterday about another top 10 trending XRP token named Ripple, with the name of the token Ripple, ticker symbol Ripple. So check out that meme coin as well. Now this token is brand new. The Pheonix token the pair was just created 4 days, 17 hours ago. A lot of these very popular XRP tokens have been taken off, but they're older. So they're like 1.5 years old or so. But this one is only 4 days, 17 hours old. And they have here, it says, Pheonix XRP's resilient spirit and iconic mascot. So this is the mascot they're saying for XRP. Now their Telegram can be found at PHNIX_XRP. 413 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates like new partnerships, memes, token listing announcements, all that fun stuff. And then we have the Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen as usual. 1,807 followers, and they just joined Twitter December 2024. 50 posts so far. And then they have a link to their Telegram and then a link to their webpage there. So you can find all the links basically on this Twitter here, including in their pinned tweet, they have the contract address and a link to buy. So it says Pheonix is now live on Xrpl. has the contract address right in there. It says buy on First Ledger, has a link to firstledger.net, the token page where you can find it. And then it says, just like XRP, Pheonix is indestructible. So on their webpage too, they have a buy now button. So that will take you over to the same link over there. So you can find that on the webpage as well. Real easy to find how to buy this token here. You go to the webpage, there's a how to buy section. So number one, buy your XRP. Buy XRP on a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Or bridge for XRP on Change Now or similar. And then there's a button on the webpage. It'll bridge XRP. You could do that. Or you could just fund your wallet from a central exchange. Those are down there. Number two, create a wallet. Create a wallet on First Ledger. So the links to First Ledger on the webpage and in the pinned tweet. Either Telegram bot or web version. There's a button on the webpage, create wallet. Number three, send XRP and APE. Send your XRP to your new wallet and APE. And then it has the contract address. There's a buy now button. Real straightforward. Follow the steps, phnix.lol on the webpage there. Real easy to find all of that stuff on there. So Pheonix is here to be the ultimate symbol of resilience of XRP in the face of adversity. It says, why Pheonix? Throughout its history, XRP has always resisted and risen again. So recently, the most significant event has been the SEC lawsuit. Many people thought it marked the end of XRP, but they forgot that it's a symbol. The Pheonix, the legendary mythological bird that rises from the ashes again and again. XRP is back, stronger than ever. And XRP Pheonix will stand by its side, reminding everyone of the true roots of history. Just like XRP, the Pheonix is indestructible. So what is planned? It says they're going to have huge marketing. We plan to use KOLs along with traditional marketing to ensure that Pheonix reaches every possible audience. Central exchange listings. We plan to have Pheonix listed on many centralized exchanges to enable the widest global audience and holder base. Partnerships. We're looking to partner with established meme coins and others within the growing XRP ecosystem. And community focus. 99% of meme coins success comes from fostering a strong community, powerful, strong powerhouse community. We want to utilize the XRP army to take Pheonix to new heights never seen before. So go check out this token. You can find all the links, like I said, on the webpage there. Trending #1 on Dex Screener in the XRP section. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.